Hey, how's it going? Today I will show you how to get the IPTV Smarters Pro application to your Firestick as well as how to set it up. The whole process is pretty easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And firstly, you need to get the app code downloader to your Firestick. If you already have downloader on your device and it is correctly set up, then you could actually skip this step. But if you don't have downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then of course you need to follow me. So we just go to the search bar on your Firestick, open search, and here you need to start typing downloader. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. Just click on it, and here's the app now, which you will need to get to your device. But then, after you got downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up downloader, we will go to the settings. So click that button with a gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it, and now in here, what you have to do is turn on the developer options. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Firestick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps. And in here, what you have to do is locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it is going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now we just go back to the list of apps on your device, open it, wait a moment until it loads, and there is the downloader now. But now, before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they are super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost only a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to UK right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video or in the description of this video, you will get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it is also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use downloader safely. So we go back to a list of apps on your Firestick device. Let's open it together. And it is time to use the downloader now. So open it up as well. And here, what you have to do is open the search bar and then enter a link, which will be IPTV smarters.com. So here is a link. You can see it on your screen right now. That's the website where you can download IPTV Smarters Pro to your Amazon Fire Stick. So just enter a link as you see and then click on Go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks. Then this web page will open and we have to keep scrolling until we see the download page for Android apps. Here it is, it says Android app right here, and we need to click on the direct download APK files. That is the button right here. Click on it and now a new web page will open. And in a couple of moments, the download of IPTV Smarters to your Fire Stick should start. If it doesn't happen, just click on that green click here button then. But in my case, the download started in around 5 seconds. It usually does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then just click install and now IPTV Smarters will be installed to a Fire Stick. And then don't click on open yet, instead press done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Fire Stick. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on your Fire Stick. And it's really important, because by default your Fire Stick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And then let's go back to a list of apps on your device, open it, and now here at the bottom you will find the IPTV Smarters. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the Options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, right next to the Home button on your remote. Just click on it and then press on Move to Front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore, it's gonna be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just do not forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use a link below this video to get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free. Then let's finally open the IPTV Smarters on your Fire Stick. There, just select your device type. Obviously, it's gonna be TV. Click Save. Then scroll down the license agreement. Click Accept. And from here, it's actually really easy to use. So if your IPTV provider gave you an extreme code, in that case, you click on that option, and then add any name to your playlist, and after that enter a username, a password, and a link, which will be given to you by your IPTV provider. After that, click Add Playlist, and the playlist will appear in your IPTV Smarters application. Alternatively, instead of extreme codes, you can also use an M3U link. It's an option as well. Then to do it, you will click on M3U playlist, click on it, and then add any name to your playlist, and after that either upload it as a file, but probably it will be easier to click on M3U URL and then just enter the link, which is given to you by your IPTV provider. Then you click the Add Playlist button, and the playlist is also going to appear in your IPTV Smarters application on the Amazon Fire Stick device. So today you learned how to download and install IPTV Smarters to your Fire Stick, as well as how to use it. So enjoy the video and see you next time. Bye bye.